guys, it's Emily here. Today I'm going to be reacting to Oh My Girl's new song, Remember Me. This is so weird. This is the first time I'm checking out Oh My Girl, and it's weird because like I've heard their names so many times and I have heard of them. I've just never actually checked them out. So it feels weird saying that it's my first time seeing them. 불꽃놀이. I know. Anyway, let's just get into it, okay? Okay. Tell me all about Oh My Girl. Sorry. Oh, it's whistle. Sorry. Your girl did not expect this. Wow, look at that outfit. Wow, she's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. What was I? Oh my girl, I was expecting. Hey! Oh, she's hot. I like her. I was not expecting. I was expecting something really, really soft and innocent and. Wow. Come through with the visual. Oh my gosh. I love it. Wow, look at their outfits. It's building up. Oh, it's building up. The tune keeps changing, but I love it. It fits. Their voices are so high and cute. I love her. She's got to be my bias. You know, go for the rappers. Disappear. Wow. Oh, them vocals. The tune is so lovely. Oh my god. Her lips. Ah. Wow. She'd play an angel. Oh, she's my bias already. The vocals are getting me, man. Ooh. I feel emotional, it's hitting me. The backing vocals. Wow, the dance looks so cute as well. Oh my gosh, I want to learn it. Wow. That gets me, and their vocals got me, and the song itself got me because it just reminded me of my childhood. You know, all them old kind of songs. Not Crazy Frog. I don't know why I'm bringing that up, but you know, like electronic, you know, techno, electronic, all the stuff. This is like what I used to have in my childhood. These are all the songs that used to go really like viral and popular when I was younger. Oh, it just brought back that childhood feeling. Their vocals are gorgeous. Oh my girl. I got problems. I need help. Someone help me. I definitely want to check out all their other music. Please do link it below, and please do tell me all about the group, you know, names, ages, when they debuted, what company they're under, blood type, positions. yeah, tell me who my bias is, because I know my bias is the rapper, because she just came through at me and she attacked me for no reason. I didn't do anything, okay? I didn't do anything and she attacked my heart. Anyway, yeah, I'm so glad that I've reacted to them now. I'm glad this is my first time seeing them. Anyway, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!